Here's how to increase your spending limit on Instagram ads. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. And if you do not have a professional account, you need to switch to one. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to Orders and Payments. Below your Orders and Fundraisers section, go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on Meta Pay in the top. Now go to Manage section, which is beside Transactions. Tap on Add Payment Method. Go ahead and select Other Payment Methods or add one. The limit depends on your payment method. Some methods don't offer a limit feature, and if you don't see the option to change the limit, you can visit the Help Center. To remove the spending limit completely, tap back on the previous screen and tap on Account Center at the top. Choose a payment method and remove it, and this removes the spending limit. You can also add a different payment method if you're having problems with your current one or its spending limit. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.